Hi everyone, today I'm sharing an unboxing. I just received this from Amazon. This was a gift from my friend. And I just received it. I'm going to open it. And this was a gift from my friend. And it's a pearl setting machine. I never knew they had these pearl setting machines. But she found it on Amazon and asked me if I wanted it, and I told her yes. So this is a gift from her, and you get these beads, these colored beads in here. It comes with different size. I think these are 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm, 7 mm, 8 mm beads. You get the color ones, and I get the pearl ones. These pearl ones, these are like white, and these are like off-white. And it comes with these little things here. I have to look and see what they're called. And it comes with a tweezer. And this is a pearl setting machine. And it shows you that you can put them on hats, a purse. That's clothes. I guess that's another purse. That looks like maybe headbands and shoes. I'm going to open it up and look at it. Let me see the back of it. No. And it comes with these. These are, I guess you set your pearls in these. I think this might be one on the machine. So it comes with 5 of these. It's got the largest one for the largest bead. And I guess that will be the next one. No, this would be the next one, I think. And that's a smaller. Different beads go in there. I think this has a bead. Oh, this is a bead where you set the bead up in here. And this is to tighten something up on there. I think this might have one on it. Oh, and that's the machine. Oh, and it's got one already on there. It shows you how to put it in there. It comes with 5 of these, since you got 5 different sets of beads. Each one takes a different one of these. It's already got one on here. I guess you can set this in ribbon. Whoop. Oh, and that silver thing goes down in here. And it seems like it's pretty well made. Let's see if it's got, don't come with any directions. Oh, it tells you on the side how to use. Put the nail in the mold. That must be this here. This must be a nail. This must be the nail here. Put the pearl on top of the mold. See, they already got a pearl already in there. And the pearl goes in there. and it says, put the fabric in the middle, pull the handle and finish. And it comes to 5 of these. And she ordered this from Amazon, so that's where you can get one if you want one. And I love these beads. I'm going to open them up and look at them real quick. I better put these up so I don't lose them. I'm going to look at some of the color beads. But it seems like it's a nice machine. And I never knew they had a pearl setting machine. And that's got a lot of pretty colors in it. Look at all them pretty colors. Maybe if I open it up, you'll be able to see it better. Let me get my scissors. Yeah, because that's pretty well made. Nice. Nicely made. And put all the beads here, we can see them. I want to see these color ones. Oh, they're sticking in there. I'm going to put them down. I don't want to drop them all over the place. Oh, they're pretty. Ooh, they're pretty. Oh, I love the color of them. And look how pretty they are. Got all different colors. Can't wait to use them. Or try to. It's got a hole in it. Oh, it doesn't even have a hole in it. No, I thought they would have a hole for that. For this here. But I didn't even see no hole in it. I guess maybe it don't need a hole in it. No. They look nice. I like it. I think I'm going to try to put some in some ribbon one day. Look how pretty the colors are. Yeah. I like the colors. Woo! I love them. The friend that bought me this, we've been friends since elementary school. She's always buying me stuff. This is so nice. I like them. Look at the red ones. It's got so many nice colors in here. Look at all the nice colors. I didn't even know they had a pearl setting machine like this. They're really nice. I like them. I like all these beads, pearls, or whatever you call them. I'll open this one up. And then one day I'll try to use it on camera. But I'm just going to do the unboxing today. And she did order this from Amazon. And if you want to know where you can get one, that's where you can go check it out. Oh, look at these pearl ones. I'm going to put them down. I might drop them. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's real little. These over here are real little and tiny, like the ones over here. Yeah, little small pearls. This is the white one. And these are the off-white ones over here. I don't know if you can tell the color. But, let me put it up here. See, these are like off-white, and these are all white. And this is my new machine from my bestie, from one of my besties anyway. I have a lot of friends that I have been friends with since high school. So this is the machine that I got from my friend, and I love it. It's so nice. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye.